Hey y'all, welcome back to the Diverge Rack channel. A little heated today from using the little green trike to get to work, but we're going green. The dually just cost too much to drive. We got some interesting stuff to show you today from the Alloy Yacht. Done with that project. They went bon voyage, and I got to get this a different boat today, a different yacht. So if you all enjoy, we'll talk to you soon. Did a pretty good job, the crew and I, on that boat, huh? You liked it all right? Hey, listen, I want to thank you all for making 5,000 subscribers on our channel. We're over that now. It's all because of you. I appreciate all you do. I appreciate all your comments and all the support you all give me on the channel. We're going to keep making videos and doing even more that you can check us out daily. We're going to be on Facebook, Instagram, and whatever other media comes up. So I'm gonna get to work. Y'all don't forget to subscribe, check back with me, and leave me a few comments. Check the link in the description below.